Rain Do not be afraid of a little rain, for it will help you grow. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. If rain bothers you, you can always jump into the sea. Rain is as necessary to the mind as the vegetation. Real joy comes not from ease or riches or from the praise of men, but from doing something worthwhile. Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Smell the rain and feel the wind. Rain, whose soft architectural hands have power to cut stones, and chisel the shapes of grandeur the very mountains. The richness of the rain made me feel safe and protected. I have always considered the rain to be healing, a blanket, the comfort of a friend. The rain fell alike upon the just and upon the unjust, and for nothing was there a why and a wherefore. Those who hate rain hate life. When life gives you a rainy day, play in the puddles. After the rain, the sun will reappear. There is life. After the pain, the joy will still be here. Rain is the bearer of life, a blessing sent by heaven. Rain slips through fingers, just like time. A single gentle rain makes the grass many shades greener. Rain drips from the eaves and fills the mind with peace. The sky broke like an egg into full sunset, and the water caught fire.